Как вот это все подхватит. Уходите.
Ой, мамочки, ой. Человек, уходи, задави.
Ё-моё.
Боже мой.
Guarda studente.
Dramatic scenes in Italy as mobile phone footage captures the moment that a strong tornado makes landfall near Milan. The tornado, which reached grade 3 on the Fujita scale, hit Trezzo sul Ladder and Grezzago in the province of Milan on Monday.
Shingles peeled from the roof become dangerous projectiles caught in wind gusts as high as 175 miles per hour.
Tony, you're losing your roof. Oh my God. Your roof is going.
Tornado crossing the road, a quarter mile. There goes, look at the house. The house is coming apart. Oh my God. Did you see that? The whole house came apart.
Dude, that coming straight.
Oh,
Holy fuck. Dude, that the pressure on this window, I don't trust it.
no, actually, there ain't much pressure here. It's that side I'm worried about.
Two-story apartment complexes in the housing complex here.
Oh no?
We're gonna have to let it go. We gotta let it go. We gotta let it go, guys. Back up. Turn into it.
Oh boy!
Oh, it hit that. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. I got glass in my back, but I got to check on these people. My foot's shaking.